Okay, so good morning and good evening and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back in today's class. Okay, and we are on the day number 42. So, in yesterday discussion, or if I say till now in Servicenow, what we discussed about IT, which I can say ITSM, right? Yesterday we discussed about customer, which we call the CSM. Now let's discuss about something for the business. And then we'll discuss about the something for the HR. And after that, only one thing is be left, that is called the item and GRC. These two we'll discuss in upcoming days. Today we are going to be discuss about these two topics majorly. Okay, few ground rules, few fundamentals, or a few points need to be clarified. I have no practical experience in these four areas. Okay. So in these four topics, we are mainly going to be discuss of fundamentals, not completely into the service now. Something which I can able to show you, I will show you. Something which I'm not able to show you on the screen or on the service now, we will not able to do that part. If you remember that yesterday also we pick up the screenshot that what are the capabilities of Servicenow, and today we are on this capability. Where I can go, okay. This one. If I try to open it, okay, let me show you. This one. So we discuss ITSM, we discuss customers, and now we are on the HR part. Servicenow says, Mr. Company X or my customers, you are giving your services to the IT people. That's fine. You are giving the services to your customers. Also fine. But now tell me, what about your own employees? How you are managing your own employees? Let's take an example. My wife has a baking business. It's true. She baked a cake for her friends. She baked the cake on the orders as well for the customers. But what about the family? Because we are the internal people. We are the family members. Here I am replacing family with the HR. If my birthday is coming, what cake she should prepare? Tomorrow is my channel, YouTube channel, second birthday. So I asked my wife, hey, I want to book an order for you for tomorrow. She said, sorry, I'm busy. Okay. So now in this case, how you will handle your employees? Because what purely a HR do? Other than the jokes or the memes we saw on the LinkedIn or the social platform, that HR do this, and that. No. What actually HR do? From the recruitment, from the getting your CV, releasing your offer letter and onboarding you in the system. Multiple team involves, but each and every point you interact with the HR only. So in short, if I categorize this thing in the two major terms, onboarding and offboarding. But what else? If you want to take a sabbatical, to whom you will approach in your company? to whom you will approach in your company? Definitely HR. If you want to take a loan from your company, to whom you will reach out? HR. You want to apply for the leaves, to whom you reach out? HR. Now, there was a days earlier, if you want to do any this kind of operation activity, you send an email and you receive the output. So someone want to go for the sabbatical leave, he will send an email. Hello HR, my name is this, I'm working on this project. I want to go for the sabbatical due to this XYZ reason. And over the email, it get approved or it get rejected. But now we are going in the digital format. Nobody says that use the email. If you say you reach out to your HR, hey, I want a sabbatical. What she say? Go and raise a request on the portal. It means again, here we need a portal as well. Very true. So it means ServiceNow says in 2014-15, when I started my ServiceNow journey, it was told ServiceNow is just a ticketing tool. But if in today's era, if someone told me that Atul, ServiceNow is a ticketing tool, I give a slap first and then say no. Because now you can get more than in the ServiceNow. If someone say, hey, your phone is just a small box and you carrying iPhone 13 Pro, you will make a slap and say, what you want, tell me on your phone. Starting from the internet, email, chat, WhatsApp, everything you will get on the phone. Then how you can say it's just a small device or it's a small box only. So in this sequence, ServiceNow launched its product called the HR services. Okay. Now, when I say HR services, it means HR is one of the scoped application. It is a scoped application and it will work only and only if you have a plugin activation in your PDI. If I go here, sorry, this side, then we load. Here. See, HR services. What is this? If anything is appearing here, it means that is a scoped application. HR service delivery, human resource core, human resource employee documentation, integration, mobile agent. These four are the HR applications and these are the scoped applications. On my PDI, I cannot activate a lot of plugin belonging to HR. But the base, like in ITSM, what is a base table or what is a core table? It's a task table. In HRSD, we have a HR, human HR underscore core is a core table. If you go here, let me show you. HR. In ServiceNow, this module, this product is called the HRSD, Human Resource Service Delivery. Another point, it is a boom in the market now. A lot of companies are hiring for this. A lot of companies are hiring for this point of time. That is the first phase. Second phase, Atul, I am a user, I am an employee of a company. How I can raise a request? Go here, Employee Center. And a portal will open, which we already discussed. ESC we already discussed, remember? Right? And here you will get a HR part. So like this, HR. What you want to know? Pay and time. Now I'm sure by seeing this portal, you guys able to relate your official things with this area. If you want to set up a goal, you go to the performance part. You want to travel on site, you have something on the HR portal. Welcome back office, definitely you have to do something. You have issue in your pay and time, means salary and time sheet. You can see here. Because if you go to the HR portal, you get each and everything. What is the maternity policy for me as an employee? What is the accidental policy for me as an employee? What is the policy to take loan from the company? What is the policy to get a stock of a company? Where you will find each and everything. You will find each and everything on the portal itself. Where you find? You will find each and everything only and only on the HR portal. Now, if you want to know the policy, click here. You can see the policy. Simple. See, every company has a policy, right? Yes or no? Tell me. Right now, if I go here, browse all HR in ITSM. Let me open this just to give you a flavor so that you can link yourself. In service portal, what we have a catalogs, right? We have, yes or no? Someone can say yes. So like this, browse by category. Yes, in the same manner, in HR, we have a catalogs. Catalog for what? Maybe like and you can say in this, as of now, I have 2 catalogs for policy, for payroll disparity. In this month, I get 5,000 rupees less in my salary. You will not ask your friend because salary is a confidential matter. What you will do? You will go and raise a request that what is be less here. I say specify where you pay some has been dispensed. I said it is a tax. Maybe they deduct the more tax. Tax is more in this month. Are you touching any pay slips or something? You can touch, otherwise you can leave it and click on the submit. But before I click on the submit, in HRSD, we don't have a incident. We have a case. Click on the submit here. A beautiful point, a security perspective, you have to be think. In HRSD, a lot of people are there. A lot of HRs are there. But it doesn't mean that everybody is able to see your case. It's a financial part. Shall I raise a request where my salary slip can be seen by manager? No. In this area, in HRSD, whenever you are creating the profiles, when you are creating the users, means suppose today I joined a company as a HR. I cannot see the salary above than manager level. So I have to make sure in my profile I have that restrictions on the place. So now you can see HR case has been raised. Let's see something here. Okay, you can go here, open case. And let me search. Here is my case, right? This is the native view which HR will use. Let me go to the global view. This is the native view, same like incident change we have, the same manner we have for the HR as well. But here the points are different. The things are different. What they're saying that if anybody is using the payroll disparity HR catalog, who can see this catalog? A user who has a payroll as a skill. Let's say that I appoint Deepika, Sneha, and Veer as a HR. Deepika and Sneha has a skill set of the payroll, but Veer don't have. Veer have a skill set of the recruitment. Then by any way, Veer cannot see this case because he don't have a skill set for the same. Okay. And now if you go here, you will find the something similar here. You can put ready to awaiting approval, work in progress as you want. You can do that part. Clear everyone till this point? Anyone has any doubt, any question? This is just a basic. I'm coming to the little more in the depth here. Okay. Now let me show the table level discussions. Or let me open this user because she's a HR, Tamini. Let me open this. See, this is the core table. SN_HR is the core table for HRSD. Let me show you the tables here in the meantime. And right here, SN_HR. See, 156 table I can see. Like in our ITSM, we have table for incident, change, problem, request, knowledge. In the same manner, we have a table in the case as well. Yesterday, what we saw. Now we are checking the HR. We have a table for HRs as well. This is the core table. See, and this is also extended from the task only. See the beauty of Servicenow. Do you remember the concept of the CSDM model? Anybody? Do you remember the concept of CSDM model? Either say yes, either say no. Nobody remember?
No.
You know, oh my God, CSDM, Common Service Data Model. On the CMDB part, we done that thing. So what CSDM model say? That I want to track my all CIs, which are be used across the platform. So in this case, if you see, task table is one of the example, which is again extended and making the HR core case table. So these are the table. One is for HR beneficiary, HR type, bulk case creation, user, HR case, benefits, compensation. A lot of things are there. Maybe I did not activate the end-to-end plugins till now. Otherwise, we can see a lot of more options here. When you go to your HR, when you go to your portal, you can see the organization chart. Click here. You can see your org chart here. I want to search for a cane. See, like this. I want to search for the Sneha. I'm not sure that, okay, because why you guys are not appearing here? Maybe your profile is not tagged in the HR module as well. Right? I'll show you that part. Let's see that how the user will be created. User will be created in the sys_user table. It means there's a no change here. Now let's see this user only, how it's look like in the portal. So now you can see the complete hierarchy. See, you will not believe, I was appearing for one of the interview, and that guy asked me this question, Atul, how you will show the organization structure on the portal level? That time I was not aware that it is coming in the HR portal. So now you can see. Tamini report to Rebecca, right? And this report to Raymond. Raymond report to Shonafir. These 5 indicates that other 5 subordinates are there. So this is the way that you can check it. Okay. Now let's see what else we are missing here. why this name is appearing in this list? Why my name or your name is not appearing? See, it is in the employee part, HRSM employee. That reason it is appearing for this. If you want to see this her profile as a HR, this is actually her profile as a HR. Manager, location, and all things will be there. Who is the colleague? Also. The fundamental which I want to tell you. So now if let's go here, sys_user table. Let's let me take this. And now let me create Bucola profile, okay, for the HR profile as well. Or I can give the role of the HR here so that she can see or she can appear her name in the this part. Create human resource profile. I need to fill this all this. So in short, all these tables, modules are somehow interrelated. So now you can see. And let me save. And now let's go here and see. Maybe the role are still not given to Bucola. No, it's all about the role only. So once we give a role, we're able to see. Okay. Any other doubt, any other point on this part? Anyone? Yes, guys, go ahead. Bucola, Sneha, Deepika, Avi, Kane.
No, Atul.
Okay. Good. I'm seeing maybe they replaced now this HR portal with the ESC portal only, if I'm not wrong. Let me see what else we can discuss more here. Okay. So you can see HR case. You can create a new case. You can see this part specifically. And why it's called the case? Because in a case we have a different categories. Now let me go here. My task is there, completed nothing. My request, I just have one request open, payroll. Okay, fine. Let me go here. So now you can see HR IT cases, HR payroll cases. Maybe in our ESC portal, we did not activate a lot of what I can say catalogs, because till now we are able to see only these two catalogs, right? Otherwise, we have a lot of catalogs here. Let me show you something here. Catalog Servicenow. So these many, because a lot of changes Servicenow is bringing nowadays. So like this. If I open my ECS portal, Let me open this ESC portal because everything is coming from here only. Let it be load completely. Now, if I go in the taxonomy and employee and in the HR, I need to be see what catalogs are available here. And then I can put the things here. Okay. So it is something new which even I have no idea. Truly, I'm truly speaking, I have not complete idea on this part. Maybe as they're saying, add content from the catalog category. Let me see. Now it's will look good to me. If it works. And save it. Now let's go here and try to reload it. Yes, now you can see. These many catalogs are available. Right? Repair office, video conferencing. Maybe something is required for HR, not everything is required for HR. Because what I did, I say everything should be come into the HR part. This is one important catalog, the 401. This one. Let's go to the catalog. This one, right? Retirement plan, enrollment plans, topic HR. So now you can see here, like this. This one. I want to enroll for the 401k insurance plan or retirement plan. So this example, I'm showing you this thing. These are the catalogs given by Servicenow by default, because they know that my employee, my user will need these things very at each and every time. Maybe I can go here as a catalog. Yep, now you can see human resource catalogs. These are the, you want to know about the benefits, click on the benefits here. I'm sure by seeing this screen now, you're able to relate with your office culture now. Not culture or office specific things here. Employee data management, profile update, journal, employee verification letter. I want to take a loan from bank. I need a letter. Click on this. Reason, loan. Represent email. .com. Submit. And to do this part again, guys, we have a workflow in the background. Okay, don't be confused. Don't be confused. Let's say this is a case has been generated. This one we just changed. Its state is ready now. HR will go and see what profile is required. It's just required a HR because a verification letter anyone can give. Open this document type and try to find out the workflows here. These things. Checklist. Retrieve the case. Yes. Put this. Sign the letter. Complete the case. Okay. Done. How many other users asking for the same thing? This is a HR view, not a your view. No, it's not your view. It's a HR view. So in my simple point, my simple thing is that here, if you go now, if someone is traveling, visa request, payroll request, direct deposit setup, request corporate credits, some HR systems you have an issue, HR account access, report request, password reset. So you can do that part. The only thing is that this is a separate module. I'll not say module, this is separate application of the product. Scoped application, license based. If you purchase license only, then you're able to see it. The rest things you are able to do it here. Clear everyone till this point. Let me come back here. Sarah, Avi, Kane, Bukola, Laura, Veer, Daytona, Catchy, Deepika. I want a response, guys. I know
Yes, clear, Atul.
I cannot show you a lot of things, but still what I have, I want to be share with you. Let's take a last point here and then we'll go to the next topic. Plugins. Let's see what plugins are required for the HR. Try to activate this plugin in your instance. Kuch nahi jayega. Nothing is going, nothing is wasting. How many of you remember that on the day 5 or day 6, when we started our journey with the task table, how many fields were there in the task table? Any idea? Approximately. How many fields? It was 70 fields. And now if you go to the tables, and you open it, the task table. Why I'm telling you? Because we guys saw that SN underscore HR core table has been extended from the task table. See, the count of my tables has been increased because multiple plugin has been activated. Let me open in the meantime. Let me come here. Now go here. Human resource. Multiple are there. And this is the base one. Human resource scoped core is the one which help you to activate, which help you to, or which give you the minimum usage of HR application. This is the core, and I have already installed that. See, it says if you install, these many things will be coming to you. Documentation, interaction, fulfillment, employee inquiries, all things will be there. Activate or repair you want to do, you can do. It's so, oh wow, it's showing uninstall as well. So now you can see. When I click on this one, I got these many other plugins activated. And these are cannot be activated. See, a lot of plugins are there, still not activated. Click and repair data. Try to do this thing. I'm telling you, try to do these things at your side. This is a task table. Now open it. On the day 5, day 6, we have only 70 fields there. And now you can see, oh, 74 only. Only 3 are increased or what? Maybe. I thought that something new will be added on the top of that. Okay. Okay, guys, let's come back here for a quick check. So where are you finding yourself now in HRSD? Did you get the basic idea?
Yeah, Atul.
Yeah.
Clear. At least you can mention in your CV that yes, you know a little bit about HRSD. And nowadays, I'm telling you a trend. Nowadays, what happened that if any employee is working as a HR in any company, they are learning HRSD module so that they can move in the IT as well. Because they know the basics of HR. What is recruitment, what is screening, what is offer, what is CTC, what is not CTC, what is PI, what is 401k enrollment, what is retirement benefits. They know these things. I am telling you, I have been contacted by 2 or 3 people who are working as a HR in a company, and they asked me, Atul, can you give us a training on HRSD module? Because we know the basics. Now we want to know the tool. So see that how people are using this opportunity. Okay, clear, everyone? Can we move forward now, if all agree?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now let me take you a little bit on these 2 topics. Okay. This topic, let me take a NowCreate now. Okay. I'm sure in the last 40 days we are interacting with each other. An impression has been built up in our mind because we are the human being. And you guys are thinking, oh my God, Atul know a lot of things in the service now. Be true on your part. I'm sure something impression will be there in your mind. I talked to Virendra. He has a good knowledge of music. He's a music director. Impression has been built up in my mind. Wow, he know a lot of about the music industry. Yeah? He know very big shots in the music industry. I talked to Sneha. Sneha is best in cooking. I got an impression in my mind. So in this case, why I'm taking this example? Because just to assume everything that she is good in cooking, he's good in service now, he's good in the music, things will not work. Because when you do a business, you need a documentation on the place. If I want to run training as a business, I never use a business term here because I hate this word in this area specifically. It's not a business for me. Training is not a business for me. It's a passion for me. Okay. But if I'm running this training as a passion or as a business, I need something in the background to support myself. Like if I say, okay, Sneha, Bikola, and who is there? Deepika and Bhumi. You 4 guys need to travel to a client side and give a demonstration of ITSM module. Okay, Atul. Sneha pick up incident, Bikola pick up case change management, Deepika pick up knowledge management, and Bhumi pick up problem management. How much experience you have? You prepare some PPT and you go to client. Deal done. You came back. After 1 week, client escalate for all of you. In your presentation, I did not find out a X factor. Or maybe I can say I did not find out that how I can automate this part. How this workflow can be automated. You 4 are worried. The reason? Because with your knowledge, you prepare a presentation and you go. Something can be missed out, right? If I say I am giving you training, I still have a lot of things in my mind which I need to tell you guys. But either those are very, very advanced topics, or either those are not the required at point of time. So what Servicenow says specifically to their customer, that Sneha, Bhumi, Bikola, and Deepika, don't worry, guys. I am here to support you because you are bringing a business for me. Let me support you. Let me support you with the all information which you are looking for. Sneha still confused. Atul, what this mean? Servicenow saying I am supporting you. What this mean? Servicenow say, boss, it is my company. It is my tool. I am building it. You are just a representative on my behalf to get a business into the market. Maybe you don't have full knowledge about a module, but you want to get a business. Okay, I'll give you how we get a job, or when we have an interview. For each and everything we say yes. Can you work in the shifts? Yes. Can you work in the weekdays off? Yes. Can you come by yourself? Yes. Do you know this technology? Yes. Why? Because I want to get a business. I want to get a job. You don't know or no, that's not matter here, but you want to get a business. So in this area, what ServiceNow say that I am giving you a separate module. Let me close everything here now. And believe me, this is one of the finest topic at point of time in ServiceNow, and ServiceNow is promoting it. A lot of people have no idea about this NowCreate. NowCreate methodology. Approximately before London, or I guess not London, Cubic or Rome release, there's a methodology used by ServiceNow called the SIM. What did it say? ServiceNow implementation methodology. Like I have my methodology, ASIM, ATM, Atul training methodology. What it say that how you can implement any system for your customer. These things which we are discussing now is required for each and every one of you in the training now. This is purely from the consultant perspective, guys. There's no role of developer, tech lead, architect. No, it's you guys who are going to be talk to the customer and getting their things fulfilled here. So ServiceNow has its own methodology. Like Agile is one of the methodology, right? So ServiceNow say I have a methodology called the ServiceNow implementation methodology, and after Cubic release, they rename it to the NowCreate. What does NowCreate do specifically? NowCreate. Let me open it. I need to see that I'm doing it. ServiceNow login. Okay, it asking for the login detail. Let me open it and then I'll try to show you something. Okay. So it is a place where you can find out all the presentation you wanted. Atul, what is the difference between customization and the configuration as per ServiceNow? You can find it here. Atul, I want to understand the change management module from the ServiceNow perspective, out of the box. You can find it here. Okay, let me see if I get any email and then I log in. Yes, I got it. Something, if it's work, then it will be good. Good, I'm aware to label. Perfect. Now you're able to know a lot of things. ServiceNow say via NowCreate, they give us the three major components. Number one, it's called the methodology. Second is called the success pack. And third is called the asset. If you want to know that how I can implement ServiceNow for my customer, you can go and learn on the methodology part. This is a ServiceNow methodology. You can download an ebook and you can do that part. Only 8 pages are there. So they have what is NowCreate to implement your projects successfully. If you notice on that, from the day one I started this training as a ITL part. If I want, I can start from the Servicenow as well. Why I did not pick it up from the Servicenow? Because I thought, let me give a little base to clarify your doubts first. And then you can use that part. So this, you can read about this part. What you can do it here. We'll come on this one by one. Let me download it. It's a good one. Okay. Now I come here. Let me go home. What is a success pack? First, we read about the success pack. It is a collection of processes and assets that executed by qualified ServiceNow practitioner will deliver successful outcomes of your project. The presentation, which has been prepared by Deepika, Sneha, Bikola, and Bhumi, are not up to the mark. Does not have all information, but in the success pack, you will get all information. You want to see? Click on the search. What do you want to see? You want to see for the change management. Let me show you. As it says, success pack is a combination of an asset. Hybrid ITSM. Let me check my product as well. Okay, let's come here. For a minute, come here. What you want to, what type of project you're working? You're working on all, you're doing upgrade, you're doing implementation, or you are doing the MVP project. I said I'm doing the implementation. Which suite you belong? I belong to the ITSM. Okay. And now you will find in the ITSM, I have a, for the change management, I have these many success pack. I'm sure, Atul, it's a little confusing how it's working. Okay, let me put something on the easy, some other stuff. Configuration, no. There is another, let me change the type to the all here and change the type to the all here. Now, CMD, CMDB and CSGM data foundation. You want to know about this? You can click on the more info. Open the success pack. It will open it for you. See, this is the success pack. It will tell you that how you can implement CMDB and CSGM only data foundation. You have initiate, you have plan, you have execute, you have deliver, you have close. In initiate, I need these many parameters to be done. Now see the beauty of Servicenow. What do you mean by Atul Agile Plan? Click on this. It will open for you. What you have to do in this step? Update business case. You want to see? Click on the update business case. How to build a business case for your customer. These are the points given by Servicenow. If you skip this, then what are the losses? Why you need? Who need to do here? This is called the RASI model. How you can do this part? What are the input required to build a business case? And what are the outputs will become here? Yes, guys. Let me come here. I want to see that zeal now, because I'm telling you the training which we done is only 5 or 10% of the Servicenow which we are able to learn now. This is the another 90-80% area. Everybody say, Atul, I want to become a consultant, business analyst. You should know this thing. By using this, you can become a ServiceNow project manager as well. Now, okay, initiation has been done. Now what need? I want a plan. In the plan, I want a architecture. Okay, define architecture. Click on this. What you want to do? Create update solution. Licensing requirement you want to see? Click on this. That how many license I need. Why? Who will do? How it will be do? Inputs. This is the input here. And this is the output here. It is like a big sea now, I'm telling you. This is also one of the question has been asked me in the interview. I say, I have no idea. Then that person says, Atul, read about this and then we'll have another round of interview with you. This is about the success pack. Let me come back here now. Click on the asset. Because this is the main thing which we need. Atul, I want a change management workshop. Sneha is going for the change management workshop. I have no time to prepare 100, 200 slides. This is a change management process workshop. And if you see this, I am 100% sure you will love this particular concepts of ServiceNow. One more thing I'm telling you very clearly and very truly here. Don't think, Atul, it is a documentation, it is maybe old. No. ServiceNow as a company has a lot of people working on only these areas. Your assets, your success pack, your implementation. These are always up to date. And see, if you see, this is for the Rome release. Now San Diego is coming into the picture. They will update it for the San Diego as well. Let it be loaded. I'll show this example. You can find out here what you want. Product specific, product agnostic. I said all. Project type, what you want to do here. All. Work stream. This one. Product suite. You can see here. It's more than 11, 12 MB now. Can you imagine that? Can you prepare these many slides? Once I show you, you will be happy to see this part. This is one example. Let me come here. In the meantime, let's search here. Because I learned a lot of things from there. Configuration is not illustrative customization. Okay, let me open this. Let me open this for you. 163 slides. Sneha, can you prepare 163 slides? Even I cannot prepare. And these are the process workshops. When you go as a business process consultant, instructions, housekeeping, agenda, see, these many things. Introduction, workshop objective. Each and everything they tell very clearly. ServiceNow saying nothing to be worried. Don't change anything in this. Go and talk to your customers. Because the things which I mentioned here, I know this is exists in my system. Management overview. These things. If you read this 163 slides, you will be getting a knowledge about the change management end to end. Multi-model change. Even workflows they are giving to us. Why these things I'm telling you? Because if you say I want to become a consultant in ServiceNow field, we have a new designation now, new role now, that is called the business process consultant, BPC. BPC work is only this thing. You need to go and talk to the customer, make sure that the customer requirement should be met or should be aligned with the ServiceNow standards only. See how beautifully they're created a documentation for us. Change options. I'm sure neither you, neither me can make it. Each and everything they mention. What is the meaning, why it's be required, how it's be done or not. Right? let me show you something on this part. I'm not sure that why it's not showing me like this customization of the configuration. And you can get something in the Word file as well. So like scoping guide you want. So ServiceNow say when you are using ServiceNow, you're selling ServiceNow to your customers. I am giving you everything from my side. Inbuilt documents, go and use it. See, scoping question, how the scoping will be done.
Any videos also, Atul, in their learning?
I doubt they have a video because video you cannot take an input from the customer. So either they have a presentations, either they have a Word files. Because these documents you need to be shared with the customer as well, right?
Correct, but at any point of time, if they want to show this is how it works, ServiceNow works, if such an option is there, immediately you can go back and check.
I need to be see, but that is totally depend on the demonstration part. You can show them out of the box demonstration with the help of ServiceNow guys. Okay, so now you can see here. See how DevOps work actually. I was surprised when that guy told me to go and read about this. And when I read, I thought where I were from the last 2 or 3 years. This is little old, and I get to know little late in this area. So try to go and do this part. Try to find out. See, complete workshop guide. Kick off presentation. How to kick off your presentation. Integration stories you can find out. These things. If you want, let me see the basic stories as well. Starter stories like this. That if you want to change management for your customer as a completely out of the box, what are the minimum stories you have to be complete? Tomorrow we will discuss about this agile part. Then you will understand these things. Okay, but you can see here starter stories, change management starter stories. I show you here. These are the stories. Total, I guess 18 or 20, 105 stories are there. If you want to implement ServiceNow for your customer as out of the box at the first phase. So if you think you want to become a business process consultant in ServiceNow, try and go and explore this area NowCreate. Clear, everyone? Any doubt, any question? Don't be feel sleepy. It's interesting topic. It's a career-oriented topic actually.
But these HR kind of modules, how they work only within limited to HR? Is it something like a ERP? So ServiceNow wants to get into the complete ERP stream, right? Then
they are entering the enterprise areas now, completely enterprise area. They are trying.
Okay, but they don't have finance and other modules then. Finance or
come
marketing.
On, no. Come on. Let me show you. Where it is gone. Let me check my slide. Capabilities. This one. This one. See, ServiceNow has the specific products on financial services as well, on the telecom, and this what I little bit work as well of 2-3% only. They have a services for the legal. They have a services for the health and sciences. You want to let me show you here. Close. Now store. Because these all are the custom apps. And you cannot download that in your PDIs. That is the biggest thing actually. Industry solutions, see, has been prepared by these companies. We want to know what the legal, right? Let me remove this and search for the legal. One of my connection connected with me, and she was asking for the legal management trainings. Can you have a legal management training videos? I said I heard first time from your side. See, legal request management, application solution. Now let me go here and see which category it is. Financial, GRC. So in financial, you have a card operation, payment, and other financials. Okay, let me search for the telecom.
So from ITSM success, they want to stretch into all processes.
They already entered into the industry specific things.
Yeah.
It's not they are be entering. They already entered. This slide which I'm showing you. This is I guess 1 year old. Financial and telecom. Now they have legal. Now they have health and sciences as well. That is whenever any new product, whenever any new version launched by ServiceNow, try and read about the release notes, what they're bringing new in this area. Let me go here and click back. So legal is there. See, health and safety. ServiceNow has a complete package called the workplace safety that is specifically designed for the COVID period. How many PP kits your company has, how many employees are coming, how many employees are going, surveys, all the things they have in their system now. That is, I'm saying that this training just give you the basics, a base only, not much. If you want to see much, you have to be open your eyes and go in these areas now. This one. Complete telecom. Telecom specifically OSS and BSS systems are there. Financial, as we see, card payment, card option, payment option. They're building their products, health and sciences. I saw in the San Diego, they introduced health and sciences as well. See, for the COVID, they have a complete data set. Health screening, health and safety testing, PPE kit. That is what I'm saying. Try to install this plugin and go and see your things. Health and science. What you want now from ServiceNow? It's coming. It's available on the store. Let me install this. I love these things to be do a just as a quick check. Let's see what they do, which portal they are bringing, where I can go and my user can go and use this part. Legal, maybe you will not find here. Telecom, you will not find it here because those are specific scoped application and available on the stores only. But one thing is clear, what you want, they're bringing it for you. Clear, everyone? Human resource, infrastructure we done, ITOM, ITSM, Now platform, procurement service management, service asset portfolio, ITBM, journal, industry specific. See, transport specific, they have something. See, you want to see a transport, and these are the companies who are building this application. It's installed. More I tell, double you have to be research. Then you will be able to get into Servicenow. Okay, let me come back here. Yes, guys, anyone, any doubt, any question, any clarification required till this point? These topics will be like that only, guys, nowadays. Some practical, more theoretical will be there. So don't feel sad. And I'm not feeling sad that I'm not able to give the practicals. I'm happy that I'm giving you the very minimum knowledge which is required. This topic, integration part, we are going to do on the next week, Monday or Tuesday somewhere. I'm working something on the background on this thing specifically so that I can show you some practical examples here. Tomorrow we'll pick up this ITBM along with the agile and defect part. How many topics are left here? 8, yeah, 4 days, 5 days, fine. Let me bring it here. Okay, any other doubt, any other question, any other clarification you need? You can ask me here. Sneha, Bikola, Avi, Kane, Veer, Catchy, Detona, Laura.
No question at all for me.
No question. Okay, good. Okay, so let me stop the recording.
India
here.
Servicenow has office only in Hyderabad or any other location?
I guess in Hyderabad and in Mumbai they have, but Hyderabad is the biggest one where they have their complete R&D centers. Okay, let me stop the recording here because yep. Anything else I want to be sure it's loading actually. Okay, guys, let me stop the recording and then we'll discuss further.